Every time I open Facebook and go to the marketplace, this is what happens. You get into a last minute run to go get something that you probably didn't need to buy, but you can't pass up a good deal. It's gonna be a little bit different. Heading on my way to go get a Facebook marketplace deal that I couldn't say no to. So we're gonna pick up some cool 90s goodness that I think you guys may like. Because at the end of this video, you're gonna see exactly what your boy Mike went to go pick up. So we're gonna make about an hour drive west. I'm gonna stop to get some food, and I'm gonna meet up with an old buddy of mine to go pick up something that's gonna be real cool. Now, if you guys are ever on 64 heading west, coming through Asheboro, North Carolina, a little food spot you're probably gonna wanna check out. It's the Golden Waffle. Freaking good food, great prices, and did I mention it's 24 hours a day? Yes, please. Oh yeah. You know it's gonna be good when you got freaking cool trucks like this. Let's get some food. Definitely a to-go order, because this may be a minute. Believe me, the food's amazing. Make sure you check them out. I'll put a little description in there for you guys if you're ever in the area. All right, next day, wheels are here and the rally is off. I couldn't help myself, but at least test fit one of the wheels. Now, the tire I took off because it's got 295 50s. I put on a set of 275 60 Nittos that I had to make sure it's gonna fit. It's gonna be super tight. It may rub a hair, looks like, on the wheel line, so we're gonna see. Go ahead and get my Coopers taken off the rallies. I'm gonna go ahead and put them onto these Eagle wheels because I wanna see how cool this is gonna look. Oh man, does that scream freaking sick. Will you just look at that? Test fitted the back. They seem to fit pretty darn good. I went ahead and swapped over the tires. You know I had to keep my Coopers with the white letters out. Only way to make it look right. But man, let me tell you what, them Eagle alloy wheels, man, do they look good on the truck. Like, oh. Yeah, I know I need to polish them up. That's next on the list, but I wanted to make sure they were gonna at least fit the truck right. Don't worry, the fronts are gonna get changed. My biggest thing was making sure the back's gonna fit. And right now, the wheels fit with the tires. I'm still running the same 275 60s on a 15x10. But now I need to figure out what's going on with either the rear end not being completely centered so I can get perfect space. I don't want to have to roll the lips or the metal arches on the truck because that's going to suck. Now the bed clearance on this side of the truck seems to be like a little bit over to the outside. Same thing on this thing. The bed is just to the outside. So I know the bed on the truck is pretty much centered and straight on. Now if I'm running into a clearance issue, my next thing might be something, either the rear end is not completely centered or something in the leaf spring and the bushings. I'm not sure if it's either bushings in the leaf spring. I'm gonna double check underneath there because I know when I put the rear end, I centered everything up with the shackles and all to make sure everything was sitting the way it was. I just can't get over how good that looks from the back. Like, I've been waiting for some 15x10s. I was gonna do rally 15x10s. I just couldn't find a deal anywhere. These wheels came up and I said, you know what? Gotta have them. I was this close from putting 20-inch stagger wheels on the truck because I know all you guys are like me. I love my rallies. I love the 15-inch wheels. I like it with the white wall tires like that. Gotta be that way because I like this truck to be period correct. So I am freaking pumped. It's taking me 2 days to get this video out for you guys. So you see me when I went and picked everything up, got home late the night after to get everything unloaded, got busy, and then here I am Sunday. I said, you know what, let's at least get these wheels fit on the truck. So I'm glad to say that the wheel and tire combo is gonna fit. Pretty sure the front is too. I don't have any doubts in that because it's a 15x7, which would be nice because I've got plans to do some front suspension work, possibly some upper lower control arms here soon on the truck. And I wanted to make sure they're gonna clear with the 15-inch wheels. And I hope you guys are pumped like me because yes, it looks good on the rallies, but let me tell you what, that right there, the old school Eagle alloys, oh, they're looking good. Throw some comments down there. If you like the wheels, I want to hear it. And let me tell you what, if you don't like them, I want to hear that too, but I'm not going to change them. Those wheels are staying on the square body truck. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. The next video, we're going to go ahead and get the front wheels on. I'm going to look over some front suspension stuff because I've got the C10 fall revival here in like almost 2 months. October's right around the corner. So we've got a lot of work to get this truck and the Ram truck way over yonder ready for the event. So hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll catch you on the next video.